We're going to start with the bid sheet. And what we've done is we've constructed in Levridge an option to show where you can calculate your own bids for all your locations, all your commodities. And we've set it up in this format so it shows you, you can have it by date, so you have a history if you want to go back and see. It's by commodity, and we can even segregate it by branch if we wanted to. But we have each delivery period in a column, show the ticker that is assigned to that for pricing purposes. And using that, then if we have it linked, you can pull in the prices from the exchange that you're using to have it then calculate based off the basis that we have entered in the system. So this is a pretty simple format. It's available, and like I said, ideally we're going to use it to pull the prices into contract entry and spots and those types of things. So now Keith's going to show you what makes up the bid sheet, how we put that together.
Yeah, with that, Jack, we'll take a look at how we configured that. How did we get that bid sheet to generate? And we use a pretty clever piece called parent-child relationship. So you can relate each of your branch locations to a parent, and then any changes to basis at the parent would be reflected then at each of the locations. So you can see here in this example, we have all of our locations that we have set up are all tied to the same parent, but certainly they could be tied to more than, or you could have more than one parent, or even every child could be its own parent if you wanted them to operate all independently. So as they're tied to each parent, then we have the parent basis, and again, that's by the branch, that's the parent branch, the commodity, the delivery period, and the ticker. And then what is the current basis with that combination of delivery period and ticker symbol. So you can see down here, we have 2010, that's a October of 2020 delivery sheet or a delivery period. We have it tied to the corn ticker, and we're at a 28 under basis for at the parent. Then the next step is we just do a freight differential at each of the locations. So the Alexandria location from Barnesville for corn, there's a 9-cent difference. So when you saw the bid sheet before, you're going to see the combination of the parent basis plus the freight differential. If you wanted to change just the child differential, you could go ahead and change the freight differential right here on this screen.